Good morning, girls. Our lesson today about points, lines, and line segments. In the first, we will talk about point. What is the meaning of point? Names a location in space. Look at this, like a dot. If you see like letter beside a point or dot, this is that's mean point. So how can I name it? How can I write this point? Only you have to write the letter. Only you have to write letter A. We finish from point. Now we will go to the line. A line, it will be straight. What is the meaning of line? It is a set of points that extend forever in opposite direction. So if we have this line, how can I name it? You have to tell me G, H, or H, G. Above the letter, don't forget, you have to draw a small line, okay, with two arrows. This is called line. Now we are in line segment. What is the meaning of line segment? Is the part of a line between two end points. Look at here, we have two end points. So the difference between a line and the line segment, in the line we have two arrows. In the line segment we have two end points. So now, how can I name this line segment? You have to tell me D, E, or E, D. But don't forget, you have to draw above the letters line without arrows. That means we have line segment here. Let's go to the questions down. First question, we have what? Point. Look at the dot. So that means we have point. How can I name it? You have to tell me R, only letter. Look at the question number 2. We have what? A line with two arrows. So how can I name it? Y, Z, or Z, Y. Don't forget to draw a small line above the letters. Number 3, we don't have arrows, we have only end points. So that means we have line segment. How can I name it? How can I read this line segment? F, G, or G, F. But don't forget to draw this small line above the letters. Now we are in question number 4. We have here line, because I have two arrows. How can I draw the line, or how can I name it? You have to tell me M, N, or N, M. Above the letters, don't forget to draw a small line with two arrows. Now we are in question number 5. I don't have here any arrows, so that means we have line segment, okay, with two end points. How can I name this section? You have to tell me H, J, or J, H. Don't forget to draw line above the letters without arrows, because this is line segment. Number 6, very easy. We have point. How can I name it? You have to tell me the letter L. Number 7, we have line with two arrows. How can I name it? P, Q, or Q, P, but don't forget above the letters you have to draw a small line, okay, with two arrows. Number 8, we have what? Line segment. How can I name it? W, V, or V, W, but above the letters you have to draw line without arrows. Now we will go to the second page. Draw and label each. In the first, I want here to look at this sign. You can tell me this sign, it's mean what? If I don't have any arrows, it's mean line segment. How can we draw the line segment? Look at the board now. I will draw line segment for question number 9. You have to draw a straight line with two end points. Then you have to write above the end point T, V. Number 10. I have only letter. It's mean what? That means we have a point. So you have to draw point, beside the point, draw letter. Now we are in number 11. In number 11, I have small line above the letter with two arrows. That means we have a line. So you have to draw a line with two arrows. Here you have to write the points S, T. Now we are in number 12. I have above the letters line without arrows. That means we have line segment. How can we draw it? I will draw a straight line and I will put two end points. I will write F, G. Then we will continue. Question number 13 now. 13, I have only letter. That means I have point here. So I will draw point, then beside the point I will write letter D. Number 14, above the letters, I have what? Line with two arrows. That means we have a line. So you have to make straight line with two arrows. Then you have to write letters P, Q. Now we are in question number 15. I have above the letters line without any arrows. That means we have line segment. So you have to draw a straight line with two end points. So then you have to write L, M. We are in question number 16. I have only letter. That means I have point. So you have to draw point. Beside the little point, you have to write the letter. Now we will continue with question number 17. Number 17, which figures are line segments? First one, it's not like a line segment. Why? Because it's curved. So you have to choose the straight line with two end points. Okay? So P, the best answer here. C, is it line, not line segment? D, is it like a circle? Look at 18. So the question number 17, the answer B. B. Number 18, look at first letter A. Is it line segment with two end points? Look at B. Is it line? Don't choose B. C, line segment with two end points. Look at D. D, not the best answer because we have here curve. So you have to choose straight line with two end points. Now we will go to question number 19. I want to name this line. First one, how can we name it? C, D, or D, C. Oh, don't forget, above the letters, you have to draw a small line with two arrows. Number 20, how can I name it? K, L, or L, K. Don't forget to draw a small line above the letters. Number 21, the same thing. You have to tell me R, S, or S, R. Okay? Also, you have to draw small line above the letters. Number 22, name each line segment two ways. We have here line segment. Above the letters, you have to draw a line without any arrows. Okay? WX or XW. Number 23, ST or TS. But don't forget to draw the sign of the line segment. Sign by draw line without any arrows. 24, QR or RQ, you have to draw a line without arrows. Okay? So, girls, please don't forget to do your homework. Okay? I will see you tomorrow, inshallah. study well the lesson, then solve your homework, page number 119. Bye bye.